one gunshot kill two batty man. Them no want clash. Pussy them man. Lyrical. Yeah man, they no want clash man.
So you never fought for no physical war?
Cause them shoes are not come in no lace. Me walk in with that. Hold on, me do an interview. You go like me a criminal.
Welcome family, welcome back to Jambisco TV. You don't know say I'm a host boy Jambisco. Back with another dope update. Yeah man people, it's been a whole 2 days, almost 2 days since the whole incident at Sting 2023 between Fully Bad and Honormosity following the Fully Bad and Coyote clash. And people, we've heard stories from almost all of the artists from all angles. We heard from Fully Bad, Coyote, to Shano, to DeMarco, to Foota Hype. We've heard all of their point of views, but now we haven't heard from Honormosity. But today we do have an exclusive interview from Honormosity following Sting, him speaking on the whole situation. But before we jump into the video, guys, I ask that you please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Help boost a boy in the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate it. But yeah man people, as I said, we heard the sides from Fully Bad, Coyote, Shano, DeMarco and Foota Hype, but yet we haven't heard anything from Honormosity. So I do have a quick little interview that he did after Sting with Pelpa Time, where he's talking about the whole situation and what's going on. And Sting say them afraid of him, they don't want to clash him. Them don't want to clash him. They don't have no lyrics. A lyrical war and come from, never come for the physical violence and all these things. But them afraid Fully Bad run from him and move to for Jumpy for boss. Let's check it out.
Them a chat bad pan the goalie what there ya. Cause him got wall over. He want boss and I move Jumpy for boss. Go all over down at the other man go fuck the monkey for boss. But anything a boss I must pump here boss. Then call up my name pan the goalie side when me walk out. You see me? Tell them try run make me shoot up a man. Me now waste a shot for shoot them a one. You see me? One gunshot kill two batty man. Them no want clash. Pussy them man. Lyrical. Yeah man, they no want clash man.
So you never fought for no physical war?
Cause them shoes are not come in no lace. Me walk in with that. Hold on, me do an interview. You go like me a criminal.
Calm down, Ruffed!
Yeah man people, as you can see, that's dancehall artist Honormosity. Yeah, the same artist that actually fought with Fully Bad at Sting. Yeah man, yeah, people, you can see him there doing a little quick interview with Pelpa Time, talking about the whole situation. Say yo, them afraid them no run from him. You see him Fully Bad a move to jump if he boss. You see me, I say, you see me got a country go do the monkey, yeah, all them things there. Say yo, them afraid from them on the lyrical war, cause they know say he will kill him and all them things. So them a run from him. Never come for the physical thing, a lyrical war I deal with. You see me, I say, so you don't know why them a move like that. But you don't know what time it is. You don't know. Honormosity did win Sting clash last year, and if from that people you don't know say him get signed with Leng them or signed with things. So you don't know the winner of the clash last year is gonna show up on stage for the clash this year. So yeah man, I think it was probably a little bad move on Leng them part, but that's how Sting go. That's a tradition of Sting, you know what I'm saying? But also people can see the police there. The police look like a young bud. You see me, I say like on you there just like get him stripes and them thing there, because the way my deal with Honormosity was uncalled for it, honestly, gang. They have to deal with the man so strong that make him man finish doing interview and finish talk about the whole situation, cause that's what the whole thing is about, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, I didn't think the police should have to deal with him so strong, but we finally hear Honormosity point of view and theme side of the story, and he must say yo, he just come with a lyrical war, he never come for nothing physical. You see me, must say yo, them afraid of him, that's what go on, why turn out like this. You see me, I say yeah man gang. But yeah, you know, the clash that go on good. I wish, you know, the fight never happened. I wish they could have went and, you know, actually clash it out and everything there. But unfortunately, you know, it did go how it go. It did go how it went. But the clash did go on good. The clash between Coyote and Fully Bad did go on good. I think with Honormosity could have went well, but the way Honormosity entered the clash, you see me, in kind of catch Fully Bad off guard, like say you know, start running pan him and shine and so I can understand what happened. You see me, but yeah, man, if Honormosity find him right way to enter the clash and just you see me, I say wait for time for put in film lyrics, then yeah, but you see me, I say. But unfortunately, it could have been a good three-way clash. Cause we've seen it before. We see it between Bounty Beanie and Ninja Man on the stage at the same time, clashing all those things. So yeah, man, you know, it's just it's sad it turned out this way, but it's still a good look at the end of the year. It's still part of thing, and just have to understand it. You see me, I say, yeah, Honormosity was taken into custody. I didn't see any footage of Fully Bad taken into custody. You see me, and you don't know Coyote wasn't involved, but yeah, Honormosity was taken into custody and put in a van back on them thing there. And I don't know. Yeah, they didn't have to deal with the dark, so but that's what happened. As me as again, but we're finally glad to hear Honormosity's point of view, being part of the story, and just maybe next year. No, no them actually have beef now, so maybe next year we can say Honormosity and Fully Bad. I know them actually have beef. Reason for clash each other. As me I say, one thing Honormosity need to do, you need to go into the studio, bro. Cause you win Unruly clash, you win Sting clash, but we're not hearing no tune from you out of the studio. We're not seeing no music video and them thing there. You need to work on them party, take your money and focus on them party. As me I said, don't make them turn in a Ninja Man where once a year them carry you off, gimmick you out and clown you out. As me I say, yeah man, go jump in the studio, build some wicked hit song. And you can clash, you can find lyrics with me clown man and thing, link up with DeMarco, so DeMarco can give you some point of view. Some you see me? Can give some advice. You see me I say, yeah man, cause you can, if I want a thing, perfect thing, you can be forced to be working in. I know Fully Bad have a reason for clash. You want Coyote have a reason for clash. Maybe you go about it right in the studio and next year build up a reel, Yeah man, but gang, let me know think about the whole situation. Let me know you think about the whole Honormosity interview. You see me, and yeah, let me know if you want to keep more updates on the situation. You see me, I say gang, yeah, you don't know about Jambisco. Till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.